Hey folks, if you have a modern rim, usually the ones that are welded like you see it here, some of you might have experienced the so-called rim rattle. You can hear it here. Okay, this is quite an extreme case of rattling. It's not specific to a manufacturer. Actually, if you look on Stan's website, you're gonna find an explanation of how the sleeve that's in the rim in here becomes loose. So in the next couple of minutes, I'm gonna attempt to quiet this down, and hopefully you'll have something to learn from it. The weld on this rim that I'm working on is very nice. All you see is that little line. However, the problem is on the other side, actually on the inside of the rim, where the two sleeves are. I've had the issue with a couple of Trek rims. It came in different ways. It was a tick. This one rattles quite heavily, as you could see. There's no issue riding your wheel like this. It's just, to be honest with you, just annoys the hell out of me. Sounds like a constant rattle coming from the back of my bike. With the rim tape removed, you can see I only partially removed the rim tape here. So I use these Tubeless. You can see those center punch holes. They definitely use that to get to keep the sleeve in place for the production. Well, now without the tire on, there's no pressure on the rim, and guess what? There's no rattling whatsoever. Provide your rim some sort of support underneath. This is a 2x4. You can install it on a workbench, would probably work best. Other people use a corner of a table just to provide a bit of support to the rim. And then with the center punch, just walk it nicely using the same holes that were used before. You can probably make new ones too. Obviously the easiest thing to do would just try to sip in a bit of super glue through the spoke holes over here. I think I'm gonna try both, since this was doing it pretty badly, as you could see. Operation complete. You can see those two dots on the left side, two dots on the right side, pushed in a bit more. This is aluminum, so you don't really have to whack it too hard. You saw me doing it on the side of the house. Super glue, when you drop it in, make sure you keep your wheel on an angle so the glue actually comes down to where the sleeve is in this approximate area. So it has to come down about ½ inch. So after using the center punch and applying super glue, you can see the wheel here. There's no more rattling whatsoever. So at least for now, I consider the problem solved. And that's pretty much it, folks. It's not complicated to do. Don't panic if you have an issue like this with any of your rims. As you can see, it's a fairly simple procedure. Just take your time and just do it right. If you have any questions, let me know in the section below. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you on the trails. Cheers.